Friends, good afternoon. நேற்று நம்ம பார்த்தோம் biomolecule for mainly used for the structure, okay, and function of all, okay, function of living organisms. Okay, so mainly this used for structure and function. They have several types: carbohydrate, protein, okay, lipids, enzymes, and nucleic acid. Okay, so the structure of living organisms. Okay, carbohydrate further divided into monosaccharide, oligosaccharide, and polysaccharide. Polysaccharide further divided into homopolysaccharide and heteropolysaccharide, right? And they based on this protein, they are simple, complex, okay, simple and complex protein. Okay, so lipid, simple lipids, conjugated lipids, and derived lipids. Okay, so this things we have seen it yesterday. Okay, now we move to this questions. இதில் என்னென்ன கொஷின்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். ஓகே, முதல் கொஷின்ஸ் நான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணுறேன். ஓகே, அண்ட் ஃபர்தர் கொஷின்ஸ் யூ வில் ஆன்சர் ஆர் எல்ஸ் யூ கேன் ஆன்சர். முதல் கொஷினை நீங்கள் ஆரம்பிக்கலாம். ஓகே, த ஃபீட்பேக் inhibitions, okay, of an enzymatic reaction. Feedback inhibition of enzymatic reaction is caused by option A, okay, end product, B, substrate, C, enzyme, D, rise in temperature. Okay, so try to answer it. Feedback inhibition of an enzyme reaction is caused by, okay, end product, substrate, rise in temperature, and enzyme. So what is your answer? You can type in the comment box. You can type your answers in the comment box. Feedback inhibitions substrate. Thank you, Dinesh. Thank you. Priya, thank you. Santosh, Bhavani, thank you. Anybody else? The answer is, okay, answer is A, end product. How? You may ask this, okay. So here it is, when you come to this glucose, okay, along with ATP, okay, adenosine triphosphate, okay. So this, it will go into this, they derive into glucose 6, okay, phosphate. Okay. So here it is use enzyme hexo, okay, hexokinase, okay, hexokinase enzyme which is using, okay, feedback in glucose along with the ATP, they will convert into 6-phosphate. Again this ADP nahi, so ATP this move into this glucose, okay, again this is, we will get it. So our end product is glucose 6-phosphate. So mainly this end product, it will help for this feedback inhibitions. Answer is A. Thank you, John. Okay, thank you, Nitya. Answer is A. Thank you. So we will move to this next questions. Okay, glucose 6-phosphate along with this ATP. So it come to in this glucose 6-phosphate. The end product is this glucose 6-phosphate, right? Which one of the following, which one of the following are not polymeric? Option A, protein, B, polysaccharide, C, lipids, D, nucleic acid. Which one of the following is or not a polymeric? Or not a polymeric? You can try to answer in the comment box. Thank you for your active participations. Continue be with us. Type your answer. John, Nitya, Vicky, Priya. Which one of the following are not a polymeric? Means 3 are polymer, one is it's not a polymeric. So it means not, it is given the answer 3 are correct, one is wrong. You have to choose the wrong one. Either protein or lipids or Madhu, thank you. Priya, thank you. Kavita, thank you. Chandrasekhar, thank you. Santosh, Bhavani, thank you. Anybody else? Thank you, Dinesh. Nitya, thank you. Yes. Yes. Thank you, John. It's your answer is C. Yes, for absolutely. Okay. So why? So protein, it's a polymer of amino acids. Okay. So protein, it's a polymer of amino acid. Polysaccharide, it is a polymer of monosaccharide. Okay. So nucleic acid, it is the nucleotide, it's the polymer. But lipid, which is, they don't have a polymer. So liquid, they have a triglycerides. Okay, it goes on. Okay, liquid is a part of this triglyceride and glycerol one. Okay, so the answer is, that's the reason. Lipids, lipid, it's not a polymer. Okay, it is because they don't have polymer like amino acids or monosaccharide or nucleotide 1. Okay. If it is not a nucleotide, it is lipid. Okay, thank you. So the answer is C. Lipid, they don't have a things like amino acid. Okay, protein have amino acid, is a polymer. Polysaccharide, they have a polymer of monosaccharide. Nucleic acid, they have things mononucleotide. But lipid, they don't have a polymer. Thank you. Next, questions will move. Yeah, competitive inhibitor. A competitive inhibitor of succinic dehydrogenase is a malonate P oxaloacetate B oxaloacetate M ketoglutarate D malt. Okay, a competitive inhibitor of succinic acid, and competitive inhibitor of succinic dehydrogenase is malonate, oxaloacetate, or ketoglutarate or malate. Try to answer your comment box. blur So competitive inhibitor of succinic acid of dehydrogenase is, try to answer this. Okay, thank you Madhu. Thank you Priya. Thank you Dinesh. Kavita, thank you. Dinesh, thank you. Sandosh, Pavani, thank you. Chandrasekharan, thank you. Okay, so I'll come to the answer. Answer is malonate. It is the answer. Why? With malonate, it is a powerful, powerful inhibitor in cellular respiration. Okay, when you come to this respiration process, so this is powerful inhibitor. Okay, so this is they bind with active sites. Okay, so they are bind with active site in the citric acid cycle or Okay, in the cycle it's mainly helping. So malonate dehydrogenase, it's mainly the powerful inhibitor to dehydrogenase. It's mainly involves citric acid cycle. Okay, this is okay, right? Next, so answer is not B, A, malonate. That's the answer. Thank you Santosh, Chandrasekhar, Madhu, Bhavani and Dinesh. Okay, answer is malonate. Okay, next questions. An organic substance bound to an enzyme and essential for activity called a coenzyme, B, apoenzyme, C, isoenzyme, D, coenzyme. Okay, so organic substance bound with this an enzyme to essential activity is called as, okay, is called as, okay, so coenzyme, apoenzyme, isoenzyme or coenzyme. Try to answer your in the comment box. D. Thank you Dinesh. Thank you. Santosh, thank you. Dinesh, thank you. Priya, thank you. Yeah. John, thank you, John. Madhu, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, your answer is right. So coenzyme it is, okay, so it is an enzyme which is essential for activity. Okay, this bound subtronic substance. Okay, right? So this is mainly helpful. Next questions. Okay, thank you. Almost all of us got 100 mark. Okay, so you can clap you yourself. ஓகே உங்கள் ஷோல்டரில் அப்படி திருப்பி ஓகே இந்த கை எடுத்து லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் எடுத்து ரைட் ஷோல்டரை வச்சு அப்படி ஒரு தட்டு தூக்கி கொடுத்துக்கோங்க. ஓகே குட். நெக்ஸ்ட் உங்கள் ஷோல்டரை லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் ஷோல்டரை ரைட் பக்கம் கொண்டு வந்து பின்னாடி ஒரு தட்டு கொடுத்து குட்னு போட்டுக்கோங்க. ஓகே குட், வெரி குட். கீப் இட் அப். ஸோ enzyme slightly enzyme having slightly, okay, enzyme having slightly, okay, different molecular structure. Enzyme having slightly different molecular structure but performing identical activity are a coenzyme apoenzyme. C. Isoenzyme. D. Coenzyme. So enzyme have slightly different, okay, but their structure, molecular structure, different molecular structure, but performing identical activity are called as or are coenzyme or apoenzyme or isoenzyme or coenzyme. Similarly, like last question, there it is we ask that organic substance to essential formation of activity, that coenzyme you said it, okay. So here the enzyme are slightly different, but it is they are performing identical activity is called as thank you Priya. Kavita, thank you. Chandrasekhar, thank you. Nitya, thank you. Madhu, thank you. John, thank you. Yes, you are almost all of us got right. So isoenzyme is the right answer. Okay. So we have a slightly different but molecular structure. It is performing identical activities. Thank you. So similarly, you give a clap or it is give a touch to your left hand to right hand side. You give a clap to yourself. Right. Thank you. So next questions. Which one of the following statement is wrong? Okay, which one of the following statement is wrong? Okay, option A, sucrose is disaccharide. B, cellulose is a polysaccharide. C, uracil is a pyrimidine. D, glycine is sulfur containing amino. Right? Which one of the following statement is wrong? Okay. Which one of the following statement is wrong among these four? So sucrose is a disaccharide, cellulose is a polysaccharide, uracil is a pyrimidine base, glycine is a sulfur containing amino acid. Try to answer your answer in the type box, comment box. Thank you, Priya. Yeah. Thank you, Madhu, Dinesh, John. Thank you. Kavita, thank you. Chandrasekhar, thank you. Yeah. Almost, yeah, this your answer is right. The glycine is a sulfur containing amino acid. Okay, sucrose it's a disaccharide, cellulose it's a polysaccharide, uracil it's a pyrimidine base, but glycine it's a simple amino acid, not a sulfur containing amino acid. Sulfur containing amino acid is methionine. Okay, not a glycine. Okay, so the sulfur containing one methionine. Okay, So this is the one sulfur containing. Glycine is a simple amino acid. Sulfur containing amino acid is methionine, right? Okay, thank you. All right. Which one of the following, okay, biomolecule which one of the following biomolecule does not have phosphodiester bond? Which one of the following biomolecule does not have a phosphodiester bond? Okay. Option A, monosaccharide in a polysaccharide. B, amino acid in polypeptide. C, nucleic acid in nucleotide. D, fatty acid in diglycerides. Okay, so type your answers. Okay, which one of the following biomolecule does not have phosphodiester bond? Monosaccharide in polysaccharide, so amino acid in polypeptide, nucleic acid in nucleotide, and this fatty acid in diglyceride. Type your answers. India. You can type your answers. Kavita, thank you. Priya, thank you. Santosh, thank you. Madhu, thank you. Right? So answer is nucleic acid in nucleotide. So nucleic acid in nucleotide, they don't have a phosphodiester bond. Rest of us, they have a phosphodiester bond. Monosaccharide in polysaccharide, they have amino acid, they definitely they have it, and except fatty acids also have it, except this nucleic acid in nucleotide, they don't have a phosphodiester bond, because there it is involved purine and pyridine base. Okay, sugar base only involved. Okay, it is involved purine and pyrimidine base. Okay, that's a reason this won't involve in the tank, right? Thank you. Next we will move to this. which one of the following is, okay, which one of the following is non-reducing carbohydrate? Which one of the following is non-reducing carbohydrate? Okay, A. maltose, B. sucrose, C. lactose, D. ribose. Ribose. Okay, which one of the following non-reducing sugar? Okay, non-reducing sugar. So non-reducing sugar, they don't have a, okay, do not have a pre-aldehyde. Okay, non-reducing sugar do not doesn't have a aldehyde and keto groups. Okay, so because this is called as aldehyde groups. Okay, this is called as non-reducing. They don't have aldehyde group or keto groups. That's the reason it is called as non-reducing sugar. Which one is it is presence? Thank you Priya, Nityam, Santosh, thank you, Chandrasekhar, thank you, Kavita, super, Madhu, super. Anybody else? Yeah, the answer is it's a sucrose, right? You're right. Okay, so this is the one. It is a non-reducing sugar. They don't have aldehyde and keto groups. Okay, right? Macromolecule chitin is option A. Macro, okay. Phosphorus containing polysaccharide. B. sulfur containing polysaccharide. Okay, sulfur containing polysaccharide. Okay, C. simple polysaccharide. D. nitrogen containing polysaccharide. Okay, so macromolecule chitin. Okay, so chitin, it is the cell wall of, okay, cell wall of fungi. Okay, so fungi and arthropods. Okay, so it's a cell wall of fungi and arthropods. What is the content which is present? What is the content present in the chitin? Phosphorus containing polysaccharide, or sulfur containing polysaccharide, or simple polysaccharide, or else nitrogen containing polysaccharide. Type your answers in the comment box. D. Thank you, Vicky. Kavita, thank you. Nitya, thank you. Priya, thank you. Santosh Pawani, thank you. Anybody else? John, Madhu, Vicky. Okay, so the answer is okay. Nitrogen containing polysaccharide. Okay, this answer is nitrogen containing polysaccharide. It is the macromolecule of fungi. Chitin, it is a cell wall of fungi. So it is a polysaccharide. It is also the polysaccharide. It is also hetero. Okay, polysaccharide. Heteropolysaccharide. Along with that, they have a NAG, N-acetyl glucosamine. Okay, they have it N-acetyl glucosamine component which is present here. All right. Thank you. So thank you for your contributions. Next questions. Which one of the following is reducing sugar? Okay, reducing sugar. Okay, so which one of the following is reducing sugar? A. Galactose. B. Gluconic acid. C. Beta methyl galactoside. D. Sucrose. So which one of the following is the reducing sugar? Okay, you can type your answer in the comment box. So previously said in non-reducing sugar they don't have a aldehyde or keto groups. Okay, but here they have a aldehyde group and keto group. Through that they can form a isomerism. Similarly, structurally they are similar, but their function is different. Okay, they are called as isomerism. So which is present? Where which is present? Non-reducing, just now only. Okay, D it's not an answer. Okay, sucrose is the non-reducing sugar. With the previous two questions before we saw that. Okay, the answer is. Thank you, Priya, Vicky, Santosh, Vigneshwaran, Madhu, thank you. Chandrasekhar, thank you. Okay, so the answer is, okay, so answer is galactose. It is the answer. Why? Because it is a reducing sugar, okay, because they have a aldehyde group, aldehyde and keto group. Along with that they form a isomerism. Okay, they form a isomerisms. Okay, so they form a isomerism which is helpful. Okay, which is helpful for glucose. Where it is the reduced sugar presence. Okay, the reduced sugar is present glucose, fructose. Okay, glucose, fructose. Okay, and galactose. Okay, and glycerol. So which is present in galactose, which is present, glucose is present, fructose is present, and glycerol also this is present, because they can form isomerism along with this aldehyde and keto groups. Okay, thank you. Next questions. lactose is composed of, okay, lactose is composed of A, glucose plus glucose, B, glucose and fructose, C, fructose plus galactose, okay, D, glucose and galactose. Okay, so lactose is composed of glucose or fructose, fructose or galactose, glucose and galactose. Type your answer in the comment box. Priya, thank you. Santosh, Bhavani, thank you. Vicky, thank you. Kavita, thank you. Dinesh, thank you. Yeah, Madhu, thank you. Okay, your answer right. Okay, so it is oligosaccharide. Okay, it is a oligosaccharide. Okay, lactose is a oligosaccharide. So which is present in that one. Okay, so it is mainly among this oligosaccharide. It's also disaccharide. Di means two sugar component. Two sugar component which is present. What are the two sugar compound? Which is glucose and galactose combined together, they are formed. That is the reason the lactose is a combine of glucose and galactose. Thank you. Thank you for your answers. Yeah, polysaccharide which is synthesized stored and stored in liver cells is lactose, B, galactose, C, arabinose, D, glycogen. Okay, so a polysaccharide which is synthesized and stored in the liver cell, which is called as, which is lactose or galactose or arabinose and glycogen. You can type your answer in the comment box. Vicky, thank you. Santosh, thank you. Yeah, Vicky Varan, okay, Vinesh Varan, thank you. Chandrasekhan, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, it's right. Nitya, thank you so much. Okay, the answer is glycogen. Okay, glycogen, it is stored in the form of things. Okay. Right, next question. As the age advance, there is a gradual thinning. As the age advances, there is a gradual thinning of hair in human. Okay. Males this is mainly because of lower. Okay, so ஆம்பளை பசங்களுக்கு ஓகே ஸோ வயசு அதிகமாக முடி அப்படியே கம்மியாயிட்டே போகுது. அது ஏன்? கிராஜுவல் தின்னிங் ஆஃப் ஹியூமன் ஹேர் குறைஞ்சிட்டே போகிறது. ஓகே, அது எதுனால அப்படின்னு சொல்லிக்கிறேன். ஓகே, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின். ஓகே, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஏ பிளட் சப்ளை, முடிக்கு போக வேண்டிய பிளட் சப்ளைனால. பி ஓகே சிந்தசிஸ் ஆஃப் புரோட்டீன். சி synthesis of glycogen. D availability of energy. Okay, so ஏன் thin ஆகுது? Okay, so blood supply நாலயா இல்ல synthesis of glycogen ஆ synthesis of protein ஆ availability of energy. So try to answer your write your answer in the comment box. Why gradual thinning? Vicky, thank you. Santosh, Pavani, thank you. Dinesh, thank you. Madhu, thank you. Kavita, thank you. Yeah, answer is right. Synthesis of protein. Okay, then when the age it is advanced, so synthesis of protein is reduced due to the reason the hair is very thinning. Okay, so the protein, so its level is reduced due to that reasons the protein. Okay, so reduced, that's the reason human hair is thinning very level, gradually thinning. Okay, thank you. So next questions. Spoilage of oil can be deducted by which fatty acid? Okay, spoilage of oil can be deducted by which fatty acid? Okay, spoilage of oil can be deducted by which fatty acid? Okay, so first oleic acid, A. B. Linoleic acid, C. Erucic acid, D. lactic acid. Okay, so spoilage of oil can be detected by which fatty acids? Okay, you can type your answers in the comment box. Kavita, thank you. Vicky, thank you. Priya, thank you. Dinesh, thank you. Santosh, thank you. Chandrasekharan, thank you. Nitya, Madhu, thank you. Okay, right? So the answer is almost everyone has said it except this first girl. So everyone has said this wrong. Okay, spoilage of oil, it is oleic acid or linoleic acid, linoleic acid, and this erucic acid. Okay, erucic acid. Okay, so the answer is C. Okay, so the answer is C, erucic acid. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, not A. A is wrong. Erucic acid. Okay, erucic acid is the answer for this. Okay, so this is erucic acid is a monosaturated. Okay, it's a monosaturated. Okay, so monosaturated omega 9 fatty acid. So, okay, erucic acid, it's a monosaturated omega 9 fatty acid. Okay, so denoted it to, okay, it is denoted into 22 into omega 19. Okay, omega 9, this is denoted 22 9 to omega. Okay, so this is which is present in the, mainly it is this acid which is present mustard seed. Okay, this acid which is present mustard seeds. Okay, kadugla irukku. Okay, so adhe mari wallflower seeds, wallflower seed which is present. Okay, so answer is erucic acid which is present for spoilage of oil be detected. Okay, thank you. So the answer is C. Okay, not A. So the correct answer is erucic is because it's a monosaturated omega 9 fatty acid which can detect the one, right? So thank you so much for your valuable time spending with us. So continue to be contact with us. Whatever you doubt, you can ask through this over the phone, or it is through our personal mail, and you can call our websites also. Thank you so much.